This video was brought to you by Raid Shadow Legend. Hey there, I'm MICHAELJOSH and you're watching GadgetMatch. We're officially 3 months into quarantine and thankfully, I've finally gotten a haircut. Or more accurately, I've learned to cut my own hair. Just like a new outfit or a new haircut, a new case can help your iPhone feel new again. So this time around, we're rounding up our favorite iPhone cases, taking into consideration protection, look and feel, and because we all have different needs, we made sure to cover a whole gamut of styles and functions, so that everyone watching this video finds their gadget match. Before we dive into the world of third-party cases, let's first take a look at what Apple has on offer. For many years now, I've almost exclusively used Apple cases. Their silicone case in particular has long been a personal favorite. I like that it's available in a host of colors that change with the seasons, and there are mainstays like white and this one in product red. All of these cases come with matching Apple Watch bands too. I love the matte rubbery finish of the silicone case. It's soft and grippy. Now, if you want to step it up a notch, go for their leather cases. This is currently the case I rock on a daily basis. I like its subdued elegance and of course that embossed Apple logo. It fits the phone snug and doesn't add a lot of heft, while still offering enough protection for day-to-day use. The color selections are all on the darker side, and I think that's on purpose. From experience, lighter colors on leather don't age well as darker shades. And while I'm partial to blue, this forest green color matches my midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max so well. Looking for a new game to play? I know I am. That's why I'm thrilled to tell you about this video's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. The game is all about building a team of strong warriors and leading them into battle versus AI or real-life opponents. As with any sponsorship on this channel, I really wanted to make sure that I truly believed in what I'm saying, so I took some time off to really play the game, and let's just say, I was hooked. I was immediately drawn to Raid Shadow Legends because of its production value that commits to realism, showcasing graphics that make the most out of this year's crop of smartphones. It's free to play and is available for iOS, Android, and PC, and you can download it now using the link in the description box below. Now, you know me, I'm extremely competitive, so I spent most of my time collecting champions, building the best team, and leveling them up in an effort to be the king of the arena. But you may like a different kind of gameplay, and Raid Shadow Legends offers that too. Whether it be joining campaigns, venturing into dungeons, or trying out the new Tag Team Arena, a challenging series of back-to-back-to-back 4 vs 4 battles where special rewards await those who finish atop the rankings. Raid has 16 different factions from dwarves, lizardmen, and the Sacred Order, but my starter hero is Cyrill from the Dark Elves. His abilities are all about poison, and he's versatile in so many different situations thanks to his multi-hit abilities. See? One-hit KO. Let me know which faction you like best, but if you ask me, the Dark Elves are my jam because they're all about wanting to take over the world, something that I can relate to. Join in and challenge me if you dare. My username is MICHAELJOSH, and if you're fast enough, you can join my clan. New players who sign up using my link below will get 100,000 silver and a free epic champion. But act fast, as these rewards will only be available for the next 30 days. All of this treasure will be waiting for you in-game. Just click on the treasure chest. Let me know if you like the game, and thanks for supporting the channel. Another daily driver before this whole COVID pandemic began, and a huge favorite of mine, are these cases by Dutch company Mujjo. Available for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max, their cases are made of full-grain leather and come in black, tan, alpine green, Monaco blue, and this new color, slate green, which also matches my midnight green iPhone perfectly. These cases age well and will patina over time. I love the freedom that this case affords, particularly being able to leave my wallet at home. See, there's just enough space to squeeze in my ID, a credit card, and my subway card. Last year, when we could all still travel, I also loved this case because it meant I had a place for my hotel keys. That way, I never had to fumble for it ever again. These ones start at just under 42 euros and are definitely worth the premium. If you follow me on social media, you'll know that I've long been a fan of Nomad and what they stand for as a company. They're all about community and adventure and living in the moment. And recently, amid this COVID-19 crisis, they've reallocated their manufacturing facilities so that they could contribute to alleviating the low supply of masks, surface cleansers, and hand sanitizers, the proceeds of which all go to Doctors Without Borders. For many years, I've used their products. Their wallet with an integrated power bank was a long-time companion until it was stolen last year. You also know my wireless charger by my bedside and my leather AirPods Pro case. So to round up our selection of genuine leather cases, how can I forget this one? Designed with the adventurer in mind, their rugged series mixes the sophistication of leather with a more outdoorsy appeal. Crafted from American Horween leather that's not synthetically tanned or dyed, the leather finish on these cases will not stay perfect. Instead, they'll scuff and mark, aging with character, so much so that it looks better after a year than it does the day you first start using it. This particular rugged case is a Moment case also. If you're unfamiliar, Moment dubs themselves as an outfitter for photographers and videographers. They're a lifestyle brand best known for making add-on lenses for the iPhone. Like this anamorphic lens that is a favorite amongst filmmakers, perfect for giving your iPhone videos a more cinematic look. Or this fisheye lens that can capture more than a typical ultra-wide-angle lens can. They're really cool add-ons that can extend what the iPhone can do. So, if you're a content creator that loves the flexibility of what a Moment lens can offer, then this is a great companion case. Capturing quirky fisheye photos or filming your next shot on an iPhone documentary have never looked this good. It's also built tough with a polycarbonate body and TPE bumpers on its edges. Nomad is promising 6 feet of drop protection. The Nomad rugged case for Moment lenses retails for $49.95. This next pick is for gamers, and if you're one of them, you should be able to tell this logo from a mile away. Announced late last year, Razer's lineup of iPhone cases reflect its move to expand its dominance as a gaming accessory maker. These ArcTech cases are specifically designed to provide cooling for those extra long gaming sessions. Inside, there's a thermophene layer that absorbs the heat and sends it out through vents built into the case. The case comes in 3 colors, black, white, and pink, and 2 basic types, Slim and Pro. While made of the same material, the Slim case, as its name suggests, takes up a slimmer profile and doesn't wrap entirely around the phone like the Pro case does. With that extra padding all around, the Pro case guarantees drop protection of up to 10 feet. Razer fans will also like the option to get the THS version of the Pro case, which stands for Triple-Headed Snake, the Razer logo. It also comes in gold, which we briefly saw at CES earlier this year. For those wanting to make a statement, these Liquid Series cases by German brand Laut are a great choice. Laut means loud in German, and these cases literally are. From quirky slogans to liquid effects, glitter, floating objects, and some glow-in-the-dark action, these cases are a lot of fun, while still giving you an ample amount of protection from falls. They go for $39.99, regardless of what iPhone 11 model you own. While we're talking about Laut, we also like their Prestige necklace sleeve. Made with faux Saffiano leather, it comes with an adjustable strap so you can wear it on your body like so. On its back is a little pocket for stashing your cards or cash. Not only is it perfect for a quick iced latte run at your neighborhood cafe, you'd love this too if you want to go hands-free without leaving your essentials and still look stylish. It fits phones up to 6.5 inches, comes in black and taupe, and retails for $34.99. Speaking of creators, here's a brand you might be familiar with. Makers of that bendy, flexible tripod dubbed the Joby Pod. Well, along the same vein, the company recently announced the Standpoint case for the iPhone with a built-in tripod so that you can prop up your phone like this or this, perfect for watching a YouTube video. My only wish is that they designed these feet so that you could prop it up vertically for Instagram lives or FaceTime calls. Now, I wouldn't classify this next product as a case, but I thought I'd throw it in as a bonus. The GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit is an all-in-one rig for creators and was launched alongside the Joby case. Apart from being a traditional GorillaPod, there are arms to mount your phone and 2 others for accessories. Their kit comes with their Wavo mobile microphone and BMO LED light. And when everything comes together, you've got all you need to vlog like a pro. For my clumsy friends out there, I wanted to make sure I included a pick that offers the most protection that's available in the market today. And for many years, the toughest has been the Otterbox Defender. While a pricey option at just over $70, I chose the Otter plus Pop Defender series case because of its integrated pop socket, giving you both extreme protection and one of the most popular ways to keep your phones secured to your hands. The case is available in the usual black and gray, but for this video, and because I'm a PB&J lover, I chose this one, grape jelly purple. Like any Defender case, it comes in 2 main parts, a 2-piece polycarbonate shell that makes up the inner layer, and a rubber outer shell, which you snap on like so. Now, if you don't like the heft but still want that integrated pop socket idea, Otterbox also makes the Symmetry and Figura series with pop socket options. I have the Symmetry series and Island Ombre, but I'm now thinking of adding the Figura series to my daily rotation. Those come in a variety of solid colors that allow your pop sockets to stand out more. If you already own a collection of pop tops, you can easily swap them around to match your style or mood, or if you buy them from popsockets.com, you can choose to buy the pop top only and save $2. Also, while on the topic, check out their Poptivism series, where 50% of proceeds go to a cause of your choice. These Pride pop sockets go to the Trevor Project, and these Black Lives Matter ones benefit Colin Kaepernick's Know Your Rights camp. Or you can upload a design and raise funds for a charity of your choice. Of course, here at GadgetMatch, we love anything that's environment friendly, so we had to include the new Organicore series by Incipio. This series reminds me of a feature we did at the Global Sources show in Hong Kong last year, and is a case that is made from plant material that is also 100% compostable. That means when you no longer want or need them, they can go back into nature. Incipio says the material should break down in as quick as 6 months at an industrial landfill and about 2 to 3 years in a residential or backyard compost environment. The cases retail for just under $40 and come in black, stone gray, oatmeal beige, and the color I've been using, deep pine. This case feels smoother than the silicone cases that we've reviewed, but that means it feels less grippy too. If you look closely, there are specks of plant fiber that give it an earthy vibe. Usually in our reviews, we talk about a phone's design and the many colors that phones are now available in. So it makes sense to want to show off those colors. And that's why clear cases will never go out of style. My favorite clear cases hands down are those from sister companies Spigen and Caseology. They're affordable and built well. I've known Spigen for a while now, and I choose them because they make cases for many different phone manufacturers, not just iPhones and Samsung Galaxies. Now before we dive in, it's tech trivia time. Clear cases are usually made from 2 different types of materials. TPU, which stands for thermopolyurethane. Soft and elastic, this material is used in your typical clear jelly case. The other is polycarbonate, a stiffer plastic that is more impact and scratch resistant, which is why it is also used as a shell for many Nokia phones since 2011, as well as the iPhone 5C. TPU cases will get yellow over time as a result of exposure to sunlight and or heat. Clear polycarbonate is more resistant to yellowing, but will get there eventually with enough exposure to UV rays. Now keep all of this in mind as we go over Spigen and Caseology's offerings. Let's start with the basic. There really isn't a lot of design here, and that's the point. Caseology's Solid Flex Crystal is your standard TPU case with air cushion bumpers built in. It's the one I recommend because of its affordable price tag, $14.99. At $14.99, that's half of Apple's own TPU clear case. And on Caseology.com, it's currently 60% off, so you can get them with free shipping. Spigen also makes a similar liquid crystal case that starts at $14.99, but goes up depending on your iPhone's size. You can also pay a bit more to get the glitter version for some added bling. Now, before you come running to me with angry comments in a few months' time, I must emphasize, because these are TPU cases, they will eventually get yellow. Another option is to get Spigen's Ultra Hybrid or Caseology's Skyfall collection, which are both made of TPU and polycarbonate. This polycarbonate back has been infused with UV protection, preventing it from turning yellow, and they come with bumpers that match the color of your iPhone. I have a black one for my space gray iPhone 11 Pro and a midnight green case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. But there are rose and silver options available also. If you like this case but want even more protection, Spigen's Gauntlet case takes this idea to the extreme, with a foam padded interior and bumpers that protrude even further. Military-grade cases don't necessarily have to be clunky to protect your phone from shattering when dropped. Cyrill's color brick cases offer pocket-friendly protection. Its ergonomic design have a smooth matte finish, semi-transparent hard polycarbonate back, and a TPU bumper. Each case comes with a pack of gray interchangeable buttons in case you want to swap these colorful ones. But why would you? If you're looking for something more stylish, there's the leather brick case, made with a synthetic leather exterior and a soft microfiber lining. I like how the bumper lifts the screen and camera off flat surfaces to keep them scratch-free. Oh, and I don't know if this was really intended, but we found that if you own any of these cases, you can pop out the buttons and swap them around. So we took the red buttons off the leather brick case and added it to the navy color brick case for our own FC Barcelona themed case. The leather brick case is only available for the iPhone SE. The color brick case is available for the SE, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max. Cyrill doesn't make them anymore, but we really do love these cases with embroidery on them. This one takes inspiration from the City of Lights, Paris. This case says merci, merci, merci against a taupe pinstripe fabric. While this one is inspired by downtown LA's blue skies, made of baby blue synthetic leather and a simple hello. The case is lined with a soft microfiber and is engraved with LA's GPS coordinate. A nice touch. Speaking of interchangeable cases, we're not sure if it's intentional either, but while playing around with Caseology's wavelength and parallax cases, we found that you could also interchange its rubbery interior and outer shell. Just like mixing and matching when it comes to outfits, you can buy multiple cases to create new outfits for your iPhone. The parallax case is available for the entire iPhone series, including the iPhone SE and also the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Let me know if you want a separate video by leaving a message in the comments section below. And that was a roundup of our favorite cases for the iPhone. This video took a long time to make, and we literally had to sift through hundreds of cases to find our favorite ones. Now, because this is the first time we've done a roundup like this one, I would love to get your feedback. What do you think of this video, and would you like to see more videos like it? If the answer is yes, leave me a message in the comments section below with the hashtag more please. Of course, I'd love it if you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and follow me on social media for lots of behind the scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by. For those wondering, this video is not sponsored. Some of the cases I purchased myself, the rest were sent to us by brands, but prior to that, we had handpicked the ones we wanted to test. I've used each of these cases and tested them out before I included them in this review. No brands received copy approval for this video.